Tip number 7, group tours. A lot of real estate agents probably won't agree with me on this, but that's okay. I don't really care what they have to say. Sometimes what's gonna happen is you're gonna do a ton of marketing on a property, and if you're doing your job right, then what will happen is there's more people that show up than you're prepared for. Usually you wanna have at least your loan officer there. Whoever you're giving your loans to when you get a purchase, you want them to make sure they're showing up to help greet clients, walk them around the house, but then you usually want an assistant. But in some circumstances, it may just be you, or you may not have enough people to help everybody that comes. I'll give you an example. I had an open house that I did in a very rural community where I wasn't expecting a lot of people, but we did an awesome showcase video on it. People were excited, and there was a traffic jam literally to get into this property. And it was just me. There's 3 options that you have when this happens. When you're maybe touring the property with one client and then another one shows up. You can either tell that second client, hey, go ahead, go off on your own, or you can let both clients go off on their own and just check out the property, or you can skip over to the second one, leave the first one alone. Both of those are pretty bad ideas. One, you never want a client to feel like they've walked into the house and you're ignoring them, or you don't really care to give them a full tour. So the third option is bringing them along on the tour with the first couple, which I've done this many times. Like I said, not a lot of realtors are gonna agree with me on this. They say, keep your attention on that first person, tell the other person to wait. I don't like that, and it doesn't work for me. When I invite the next couple on the tour with me, then what happens is they start talking and there starts to be a little bit of competition with the house. I'm controlling the dialogue, right? So it's like, hey, now check out this thing. This is really cool because of this, this, and this. And then they're talking amongst each other. They're both excited. Oh, I really like that. Oh, I like that too. This is a great way to be able to get buyers concerned that this property is, one, desirable, right? Because there's a lot of people showing up at the same time, but also we see someone else that is interested in this. The times that this doesn't work and you want to avoid this is, let's say that first couple that you're with doesn't really like the house and they're nitpicking every little thing in it. Don't invite them along. Then maybe it might be a good idea to say, hey, you know what? Let me go ahead and greet these people, take care of them. I'll come right back to you guys. If you already know they don't like it and you haven't developed a rapport with them where you have a relationship, if maybe sometimes it's the neighbors where they come in just to talk smack on the property, those ones are okay to kind of leave alone. But when it comes to bringing clients together, if one is already talking smack about the house, you don't want to bring them together, because then that's going to poison the well for the second client. Hope this makes sense. If I'm wrong, throw it in the comments. It works for me. You do what works for you. All right, so if you enjoyed our content and it was useful, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe down below. Or if you're looking to buy, sell, or refinance, make sure to reach out to us. You can give us a call. You can send us an email. You can even send me a text message. All of our information is in the description. Look forward to hearing from you.